back to K&L Farms, and I'm Ken. And I have to make a correction. Yesterday, or the last video that I posted, it was snowing at the time. I said I thought it had about a week before measurable snow, and I was obviously wrong. And they're saying tomorrow we're supposed to get quite a bit more. But I'm not complaining, because last year, started November, started snowing pretty hard. By this time last year, we had feet on the ground. I wouldn't even be able to be out here at this time of year. But it started early November and ended in February. So we had a long white year last year. This is much better. So I'll give you kind of a rundown of what I'm attempting to do, because this 6x6 on the Sawmill was featured in my last video. I need 2 of those. So I think I have enough time. I don't quote me on this, because apparently I don't know the schedule right now, Mother Nature's schedule. I need to get that off and get another log on there. Now I don't have the farm truck down here. I got the tractor. You can probably hear it in the background, because I can't run both vehicles down at the same time. The tractor, in fact, I've got to have up by the big barn, because I need to plug it into the block heater to get it started and running. So I didn't bring the truck down, the farm truck down. I brought the tractor down. I'm going to load a log on, attempt to get the log loaded onto here. So I'll just pitch that off. That one shouldn't be as heavy as one of the previous ones. I'll just set that down here on the end, and then I'll go get on the tractor, load that up, put it on, tie it down, and then that'll probably be the content for the video for today. Still got a little bit of weight to it. Just set it over here on this rail for now. And I'm gonna go get that tractor and get that log up. Remember, I need them at least 4 feet long. I'll load that onto that, and then put the 6x6 in front on the forks and be ready to go back to the farm. in the middle of that shot. Wind's coming up a little bit. Let me get that tractor back up, and then I'll end the video, put the GoPro back in my pocket. Okay, on the next video, I'll cut that up, start cutting that up. Sometimes it takes me more than one day because I only have a short period of time to come down, finish up the log, finish up that cut. And then the other thing is, that depends on how much snow I get